I'll be back in a minute. What's going on today? Wow. What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? I'm picking up today's video probably about an hour after I finished filming yesterday's video. We're actually at the Target right now, which is not social distancing, but you know, who cares? So the mission for the intro of this video is something that we like to do at home is we like to play board games and stuff. You know, I don't play Xbox or stuff really. We watch a lot of like movies and stuff together, but something that we like to do that's fun is to sit down and we play board games, you know, Monopoly, Life, Jenga. We play with cards and stuff, so that's something fun that we like to do, and we're, you know, being quarantined at home, we've run through all of our games a lot recently. So the mission today is to run inside Target and see what kind of games that we can find. So I'm gonna run in here and I will see you guys when we get to the toy section. So weird to see even the puzzle and game section kind of cleared out, but I got a couple picked out. I'll show you guys when we get outside. Let's get the hell out of here. Look what I got. No, not a puppy. So the highlight of our night, first of all, I'm glad I made it at a Target alive, but the highlight of our night is going to be a Christmas puzzle. Hell yeah. Guess who? And last but definitely not the least is the game of Life. Now I'm a big Monopoly fan. Life is probably my second favorite, but that is going to be the extent of our excitement tonight.
Toy Story Monopoly. That's why we didn't get Monopoly.
Yeah, we've got Toy Story Monopoly on the way. Yeah, I'm excited. Well, I'm gonna pick up this vlog tomorrow when I wake up in the morning. So I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Stay safe. Let's get this bread. I'm gonna be honest. There's no part of me that wants to go to work right now. It's like 6:30 on a Monday. Nobody likes Mondays. Nobody likes getting up and going to work at all. But let me give you guys a little bit of insight into how my mind works. I wake up, my mind's very negative in the mornings. I have bad anxiety, stuff like that. You know, a lot of people deal with stuff like that. But one thing that separates you from the people. So let me rephrase that. One thing that separates the unsuccessful people to the successful people is how you handle that energy coming from yourself. I take the time from the moment I wake up to the moment I get to work. Somewhere in between that time, I change my mindset. My mindset has to change, or I'm not gonna make it today. So what I do is I wake up, listen to some music that's gonna put me in a better mood. You know, try and get my mind right. And by the time I get to work, I'm ready to kick the day in the freaking donut holes. That's what I'm ready to do. So I'll see you guys when I get to work. I'm in a great mood today, actually, even though I don't really want to go to work. But we're gonna get this bread today, regardless. Look how pretty this sunset is. That's not a sunset. I'm an idiot.
You doing a popcorn 3000? There is cake in the break room.
Cake in the break room.
What else in the break room? Coffee.
So something that we take very seriously here at work is lunchtime. Well, breakfast as well. Normally, if you bring your lunch to work, your lunch that you brought becomes breakfast. So it becomes very difficult to keep food around here. But today's lunch / breakfast is a little bit of leftover Papa John's from yesterday, some pepperoni and ham, and then some cheese bread. This will probably get eaten in the next 20 minutes, and then I will have no lunch today. So that's kind of how our days go with lunch. So yeah, we got a popcorn machine though, so we can eat popcorn all day long. Popcorn masters around here, okay? We take this popcorn stuff seriously. Oh yeah. Oh man. So the goal of today's video, see I'm already eating this, was to, I think we're definitely gonna do the daily vlogs permanently. That's kind of where the title comes from. I was gonna celebrate the daily vlogs by introducing a new giveaway to the channel, but I left it at home. Left it at home. Huh?
Oh, I can't say that. You mess up. Oh, being got the cake.
There's gonna be some great content at work. I hope you guys are excited.
Coffee cake.
Coffee cake, I like it. Left the giveaway at home, so I guess I will, this is good. I guess I'll have to show you guys later. No, it'll be today, but I don't know. I'm an idiot. That's how it goes. Yeah, we only got one batch of popcorn left. These are tough times. You can find anything to lean your camera up against. So it's 8 o'clock, and we've already had Cheetos Puffs, pizza, and cake, and popcorn is on the way.
And we've been open for 30 minutes.
We've been open for 30 minutes, so
Stand in that waistline every hour on the hour.
Great way to start the day.
You're gonna fuck around and end up looking like me.
Nate's working on it right now.
I gained first like couple months I worked here. I gained I think like 25 pounds. I told you gotta lunch with me. You're gonna end up making up some weight.
He can almost finish a meal now.
Almost. He's getting there.
Jake unlocked his truck and now my alarm's going off. What did you do? Did you just turn it off? What the hell?
Davis called me a welder. Hey!
Bean, what's for lunch today? Martin's. What is that?
Breakfast place.
Breakfast place. I'm going to ZACKS. The guys that I work with at work are actually really funny, very interesting group. Just a bunch of good, funny guys, and I'm gonna try and get them on the channel as much as possible. They're warming up to the idea of being on camera, so just stay patient. Ooh, I thought Zaxby's was closed for a second. Oh, I was about to be so upset. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Just got off work, and for those of you that are wondering, the white letters are only on one side of the truck still, and I don't know how long it's gonna stay that way. Probably for some time, because I'm really lazy now. Again, they look really good on this side, but like I said, there is no white walls on this side of the truck. Oh! Sorry, just wanted to make sure you guys were still awake. Just got off work. Yes. I like my job though, so I'm not like overly excited to be off work every day. But I hope you guys are excited because I am announcing the new giveaway here in just a moment. You have to allow me to get home. Again, like I said previously in the video, I'm an idiot and forgot the giveaway at home, and I was gonna do the unveiling when I got off work with my coworkers and make it fun and exciting, but left it at home. Oh my goodness. So I'll see you guys when we get home. I don't know if I want to do 2 winners or if I want to do 1 winner to get 1 set. I got a black set and I got a glow in the dark set. Obviously 1 set's coming to you guys, 1 set's coming to me, or I'm gonna send 2 and 2, or I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments what you want to see. Let me know in the comments what I should do, what you want to, I don't know. You know, you help me. So giveaway, there you go. You get the giveaway includes, you know, your choice of glow in the dark or black. Maybe I'll make it your choice, I don't know, we'll decide between now and then. You do get the black shirt that I just showed you. Jam handle shirt, hell yeah, pretty cool. Sweet American flag jam handle decal. You're gonna get decal in there and some decals that come with it. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram at thatwhitebowtie. Follow Jam Handle on Instagram at Jam Handle, and make sure to comment done under this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel while you're at it. Make sure to support the boy. That's all you gotta do, super simple. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Giveaway ends April 3rd on Friday. Make sure you're watching the videos. Stay up to date to what's going on. We got new stuff going on every day, posting every day at 8 o'clock. We're posting every day at 8 o'clock. Daily vlogging. We're on this grind, baby. Bow tie. Bow tie, we get this bread around here. Huge shout out to Jam Handle again. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that great stuff. Join the giveaway, enter the giveaway, all that stuff. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. We've been blowing up 20K on Instagram. We're so close. Make sure y'all go hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.